Good morning, dear students. Now we'll continue with formation of adjective. Adjectives give us more information about people, places, animals, and things. Some adjectives can be formed from nouns, verbs, and even other adjectives by adding a prefix or a suffix. Formation. We can use suffixes to change nouns and verbs into adjectives or to change the meaning of an adjective. Some suffixes have a general meaning, whilst others simply transform words into adjectives. The suffix less usually means without something, whilst the suffix full usually means to have something. For example, if we take the word hope and if we add less to hope, it will become hopeless, that is without hope. And similarly, if we add hope to full, that will become hopeful, and that is with hope. Not all words can be made into adjective pairs like this. Example: homeless but not homeful, beautiful but not beautyless. The suffix ish changes nouns and adjectives into adjectives that mean like something. Example: don't be childish, like a child. The jacket is of bluish color, like blue. For materials, we can add en to nouns to create adjectives that mean made of. Example: a wooden chair, a woolen jumper. When added to a verb, able creates adjectives that express ability. Example: is the water drinkable? Spelling rules. We don't normally add or take away letters, we simply add the suffix to the end of the word. However, there are some exceptions. We double the final consonant in words that have a short stressed vowel before the final consonant. Example: sun will become sunny. A y at the end of a word changes to I. Example: bounty will become bountiful. An e at the end of a word is dropped when the suffix begins with a vowel, but ee, oe, ye remain unchanged. Example: fortune will become fortunate. Agree will become agreeable. An l is dropped before adding the suffix full to words that end in ll. Example: skill will become skillful. Adjective from nouns. Some examples: comfort plus able will become comfortable, and the example is this chair is so comfortable. Brute plus al will become brutal, he lifted the car off the ground with brutal strength. Passion plus ate will become passionate, and the example is Miss Smith is a passionate teacher. Gold plus en will become golden, and the example is she wears a golden bracelet. Adjectives from verbs. Some example: read plus able will become readable, and the example is the teacher's handwriting was not very readable. Inform plus ative will become informative, the lecture was very informative. Annoy plus ed will become annoyed, that is an annoyed glance. Confuse plus ing will become confusing, that is the question is confusing. Thank you.